That's sick. Oh my days. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today should be a good one, hopefully. We are going to not one meet but two meets. First meet, we've got a motorbike meet, which is, I mean, it's going to be all bikes, right? So that is going to be at a dealership, Honda Chiswick Norton Way, Power Road. That's meet number one. Meet number two is going to be excuse me, we're going to meet in Battersea Park for a central London shutdown. M4, you can see I'm in all red, everything red. Well, hoodie, I'm actually wearing my biker boots today, so yeah, red hoodie, red bandana, what else is red, I don't know, and the bike is red. The rest of it is my usual bike gear. Anyway, should be a good meet, get some good footage, some good videos, should be fun. Got my 360 camera in the bag, try and capture some good 360 footage for you guys as well. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys have been watching the last vids I put out. I said we're gonna have some interesting content, hopefully that's what we're gonna bring to you today. So yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoy what I put out for you guys. But anyway, thanks for the support so far, people. Subscribers numbers are just going up, absolutely love that, appreciate it, appreciate all the views, all the comments that I'm getting from people, all the other bikers out there, bikers and non-bikers. It doesn't really bother me either way. You guys are making the effort to communicate with me, so yeah, appreciate it, guys. And then yeah, someone's telling me about the heat of the bike is normal. I think it's line pulse or light pulse, I can't remember your name, sorry if you're watching this, but yeah, no, you're right, the heat is, it's just how these Ducatis are already. So yeah, guys, got a bit of traffic. What lane you gonna be in? Okay, stay there. Anyway, let's get through this. What's up, guys? This guy's driving like a madman all over every single lane you can imagine. Gosh, driving crazy. Yeah, so we're not far from the dealership. Excuse me, I only vlogged what I thought was worth vlogging, because otherwise I don't want to just capture footage of us sitting in traffic, do I? It'll bore the hell out of you guys, so that's why I'm only vlogging the relevant stuff. But this is just a bunch of traffic at the moment, so, but we're not far from the dealer. I think we're like 10 minutes away roughly from the dealership where the meet's been held, so excuse me again. I do hope we see some interesting bikes, I'm not gonna lie. I wonder if there'll be any other like Ducatis there actually. That's something I do wonder, I'm curious about. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Tesla. Nah, you come in this lane after I go past you. Hell no. This is actually one of my client's cars. Well, my ex-client, should I say. Ferrari, move. I'm on a Ferrari bike. Move the hell out of the way, man. Come on. Be friendly. We've both got Italian vehicles here. Well, I saw that officer looking at my license. Bruh, I gotta get out of here. I got places to be. Y'all need to move your asses. Really? This is so rubbish. Taking so long, man. Bruh. So we are going to the meet, you guys. We're at the meet, and I know them police are proper checking up my plate. Gosh. Anyway, let's see if this is any good. If not, then you know, I'm just gonna bounce on. So we shall see. Interesting. This one, rah, there's a lot of bikes. Damn. A lot of bikes. Alright, let's park up, check these suckers out. What we got? What we got? Let's see what we got. CBR SP, I wrote this. Street Fighter. Damn. 999. Gosh, tell me. Sick. Man. Damn, that's sick. Oh, HD! Oh, oh my days! Look at his clutch. The dry clutch in it. That is so sick.
Yeah, no.
See, I thought I'd do that and then wait for the R2 for when it comes out, and then check it out. Some foods. Great day, great peaks. And my colleagues, that's his bike. Noisy, oh whatever. Damn, I got that bike. So fully carbon. Mad. H2. Dream Max right here.
It's just teasing yourself. You look one and you're like, oh, mate.
Another Ducati with the Termies. Damn. That's sick.
6.5 hours later.
Get that GoPro footage.
I think from memory. We're all looking for a motor GG rider.
So we got a little bit of camera action going on, met tons of great people. And now I'm on this for a photo shoot. So let's do this. Let's give them what they want. Oh my God. That way, yeah? Like that? What's going on, people? That was a sick bike meet. Met loads of people. Don't know why they put into my lane without looking like a clown, but hey, sick bike meet. Met loads of good people. Loads of crazy bikes. You guys will see. Well, you would have seen already technically. I do wish I filmed a bit more, but I was so busy talking to quite a few people, and I got spotted by a lot of people from, weirdly, from my YouTube channel. So yeah, there's some great people. Definitely gonna ride with a couple more people. Definitely got more people to ride with. So yeah, but it was great to meet a lot of the people that were there. And one of the people that actually commented on one of the videos is someone obviously who I met today. So and they live in my area. How crazy is that? So yeah, more people to ride with for sure. But yeah, we're on to the second meet now. I'm kind of late. I'm 1.5 hours late. I'm not gonna lie. So we've got to play catch up. I don't know where they're at. But yeah,